wacho KNEC olando chenro mar timo penj mar gred 9 kata Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment. Penjni giwacho ni dhi tim mana e skunde 5 e kaunti ka kaunti ma pacho ka. Gimedo ni gidhi yiero mana jopuonjre 5 e kinde gieki ma giteme penjni, matoke to gibiro loso godo penj ma jopuonjre mag gred 9 biro timo. Andrew Otieno mochung' ne chenro makare mag penj bende osingo ni ng'ado bajet ok dhi kelo ng'ikruok e penj mar jopuonjre.
Will combine both the formative and the summative. The formative, which is what we call the school-based assessment, will contribute 40% of the total score, and the summative will contribute 60%, which means that in grade 7 and grade 8, these learners are sitting for the school-based assessments. And that is one strategy of ensuring that we move away from a high-stakes exam that comes at the end of a cycle, but we cumulatively look at how are you acquiring the competencies along the way. And that way, we will also be reducing the stakes that have always been there, which sometimes have led to the malpractices that you have been witnessing with the other system. Maybe the other point to note is that apart from the assessments that the learners will be sitting for, as Anna has explained, we are also going to collect a lot of data from the learners, the teachers, and the head teachers, so that we can establish exactly what are the other environmental and school-based factors that we may need to take into account as we prepare for the summative assessments next year.
So for the age-based curriculum, we are calling that assessment at the end of grade 9 Kenya Junior School Education Assessment, KJSEA. So that's the name of the assessment at grade 9. Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment. While the one for the stage-based, the learners with severe disabilities, then we are calling it the Kenya Pre-Vocational Learning Education Assessment, KPLEA. So I'll speak a bit about how we have sampled the schools for the grade 9. Of course, the target population is all the grade 8 learners. So we have then gone ahead to do sampling, and what we have done is that we have made sure that we will reach all the 47 counties of this country, and in each of the 47 counties we are going to pick 5 schools, and these 5 schools we are using a strata where we are going to make sure that we have a public school, we have a private school, we have a special needs school, and we also have representation of an urban school and a rural school, so that as we come to analyze the results, then we are analyzing the results from that broad coverage of the various categories of the schools that we have in the country.